Kajing persyang jong ka sorkar jela ban wengno ya kajing kerdu doktor specialist ha kajela kam daishu kamat kabathumai hende kani la yakran na kapor padang house nem arjar kat khandairu ka sorkar kla wanra da ka design and adoption of alternate models for responding to address shortage of medical specialists in Meghalaya. Hakaba kalay soy ka jingete ka Memorandum of Understanding MOU bat ka Public Health Foundation of India PHFI ban weng yakani ka jinge hakajala. Hakabay day bat kani ka jinge na marbak sorkar jala kalayo dakaway commentary sorkar layo snowling ba kani commentary ka kong Ampareen lingdo pagka sorkar kampat pandu yakani ka jing persyang na markala thung dak expert committee ka kabla thau kerpang ban thungi ki doctor ki badai ki specialist haringkat bat ka jing thumu ban pejbiniaru ya ki jing siu ki jongki ringkat haringkat ki beiru ki jing ajing mentoy kumbale lang de ki hospital shimet na lor kata kalai thu banakalyang ka sorkar kala dep ban pharu ya ki doctor ki bla lej pentibet shipor ya ka jing pulia jongki hakiba bon kiliang Henry kalapla baki don bon pat ki ba umkwa ban lej ban pentibet ïalade bat ki ba kemen ban trei tang man yo ya ta ka tulop sarkar.
I don't have the exact numbers of shortage, deficiency of specialists in the state of Meghalaya, but let me tell you, it's pretty huge. It will run into hundreds. We need gynecologists across, we need pediatricians across, we need now even cardio specialists, we will need kidney specialists. There's a term, nephrologist. Yes, we need nephrologists around. We now also realize that mental health is a big issue. We will need psychiatrists. There's a shortfall of anesthesia specialists across the state. You can't conduct a medical procedure of any kind if you don't have an anesthetist. We are hoping that we will be able to address this quickly. One of the actions taken by the state of Meghalaya is that we have constituted our own board for recruitment, which is a competent authority that is going to be sorting out the delays in calling for applications for various doctors and specialists. And also now we are also sending doctors on short-term courses. Immediately, what is required is we need somebody to run an entire maternity ward efficiently. If you have to take specialized machine to any center or health facility center, if you don't have the expert to run that machine, again that machine will go to waste. So we are finding out and taking care that all of this will be done. In the meanwhile, the first batch of doctors that have gone for those short-term certificate programs in various fields like gynae and radiology and specialist in ultrasound, specialist in blood banks. The first batch is completing its course now. What I find out from my tours is that many doctors are unwilling to go for further specialization. It seems like everybody's happy with just that government job of being a government doctor, with just an MBBS certificate. Now this mood has to change, and the change cannot come from government. It has to come from the doctors, who will be able to see the change firstly in themselves. We have seen also that it is not so much the lack of specialists as in the lack of willingness to work hard. When you compare a government facility and a private facility, there you see the stark and marked difference. We don't know what is it. Is it the salary that is too less? Is it the system that is too decadent? We need to do some quick soul searching. And by going to every part of the state is one way for me to be exposed to all these shortfalls. There is also the need to bring in transfer and posting policies for doctors and nurses, because everybody is of the opinion that certain doctors remain in certain parts of the state, whereas certain doctors refuse to go to certain parts of the state.
Nakalyang commentary sorkar kalaong bakadang bon kijaka kabakan lej khnang bantip shushu yaka jingye bat kani kan pendap hau banai nopra shushu kalaong baha ka baidei pa ka jingte jong ki hospital ba kiwei ka engineering wing ka don kamban yo pisa khnang manla ban pyntbit pinbyang shushu.
So this is also hampering the services rendered by health facilities, and we are hoping that we will be able to sort all of this out. I'm yet to go to few more places. I'm yet to visit Sora area, Shella area, Peninsula area. I'm yet to visit Jirang, Mauhati, yet to meet East Khasi Hills facilities, Soyong, Mauplang, urban centers. I expect to finish this exercise sometime by end of September, so that by October we likely will be able to consolidate on all of our findings. But in the meanwhile, whatever needs to get done quickly is getting done. Many facilities have inadequate infrastructure. Buildings are falling apart. Roofs of labor rooms and operation theaters are not safe. So the engineering wing will have to be accorded a bigger sanction if you want us to really mend all the dilapidated facilities around in as many centers as I have come. I hope that my traveling to these institutions across the state will also take officers across the state. We will be able to attend to some of the very essential requirements that need to be addressed if we give the people of the state of Meghalaya the best services possible. Some of the facilities are doing very well. Ganesh Das is a very popular institution. Civil Hospital Shillong is very popular. All the civil hospitals that I've been to are giving and rendering extremely good services to the people. I must thank the doctors, the nurses, the health workers who are helping us deliver in such difficult situations.